Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm looking at a Nexus RV, and Terry's actually up here on the ladder in the process of replacing a BAL wiper seal. So Terry, are you just replacing the seal on just this slide out, or are you doing it?
Both slide outs, just on the outside.
Just on the outside sweeper seal?
Yeah.
All right, well, we use these videos to just kind of help keep people posted what's going on in the shop. And so if they want to follow up and do some checkout, seeing what we're doing on their units. And then if you haven't already joined us on any of our Facebook groups, we encourage you to do so. We've got a bunch of groups that are all based off of the different manufacturers, as well as just, repairs and tips and tricks and tools and that kind of fun stuff too. So make sure you check us out. If you have any problems with your slide outs, whether you need anything adjusted, cleaned, lubed, repaired, dry rotted, etc., come see us. Our telephone number here is 209-263-7040. We're located in Lodi, California, and we're here to help you. Thanks so much for watching.